Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to whiten your teeth using the Snapseed application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device. And once you open it up, you can tap on the plus icon to open up your photo that you would like to edit. Now, once you open up your photo, if you wish to whiten the teeth within this picture, just tap on Tools and then tap on Black and White. Now, with the brightness option selected, go ahead and increase the brightness and then scroll down and choose contrast. Increase the contrast slightly as well and then tap on the tick mark. Now tap on the edit stack button and then tap on view edits. From here tap on black and white once again and then tap on the middle option. Now from the stacks brush menu, make sure black and white is selected to 100% and then you can zoom in within your photo and highlight your teeth area that you want to whiten. After choosing it, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner once again. And now you will notice that your teeth has been whitened. You can change the intensity from the black and white settings by modifying your brightness and contrast, and it will be applied to your picture once again right away. Now use the brush carefully and make sure the white part is only applied to your teeth and it is not applied outside. And this will make sure that your teeth are whitened perfectly without anyone being able to spot the difference. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to whiten your teeth on the Snapseed application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.